everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about a product that I recently got my hands on. But before reaching out to that topic, I wanted to talk to you guys about a myth. And there's a myth that you can start using anti-aging products only from the age of mid-30s or early 30s, but that is not true, guys. The reality is that you can start using anti-aging products from your early 20s, and you need to do that so that you can prepare yourself for the aging that you're going to face. Also, guys, our skin faces a lot of pollution and dirt, which brings easy signs of aging at a very young age. So I got this information from my Masi, who is a dermatologist and cosmetologist in Mumbai. So she told me about this product, which is a firmer serum from Salve Pharmaceuticals. So the problem that my skin used to face was that I used to develop rough skin patches whenever I used to shoot outside in sun or pollution. So my skin was feeling very bad, and it used to feel extremely dry and used to develop skin patches that were very rough. So this is the product that my Masi recommended me, and it is a firmer serum from Salve Pharmaceuticals. Don't worry, guys, this is not a syringe. It is just the packaging of the product. It's very unique, guys, and it has an orifice on the top that dispenses the serum. Also, it comes with a user-friendly card that has all the instructions of how to use this product. So this firmer contains special form of hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times of the moisture of its weight in the skin, and also collagen, which rejuvenates the dull and sagging skin. Interestingly, this product claims to work on the length of the wrinkles within 1 hour of application, and I could not believe this. So definitely I thought that I would give this a try, and I'm going to show you guys if it definitely works within 1 hour or not. And this fact prompted me to buy this product, and I immediately brought this product to check if it actually works in just 1 hour. So I'm going to take a quick test in front of you all to see if this product actually works in 1 hour or not. So I'm going to open the cap of this product and dispense the serum. Use 3 to 4 drops all over to my face. Make sure that you don't forget to use this serum all over to your forehead as well as your neck. Now after 1 hour, I can definitely feel my skin to be a lot more softer and plumper. My skin texture has improved, and also I can apply my makeup all over it easily. This is the best choice for dull skin, sagging skin, fine lines and effects of sun and pollution. So I would definitely rate this product and give it a 5-star for firmer and younger looking skin, because I have definitely noticed a huge change in my skin, and the rough patches that I used to face are no more visible. So recharge your skin with a firmer, and I would definitely recommend you guys to try out this product as it works miraculously on your skin, and you must have definitely seen the difference after I use this product. So you can check out this product on www.shoprhythm.com, and you can also check it out on Amazon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.
Hey guys, this is Apeksha, and today I'm here to talk to you all about this amazing product which comes in an amazing packing. I'm going to show you guys. So this is the packaging of the product. It looks like an injection, but don't be scared. It's a serum, and it comes with the most friendly card inside of it, which gives you all the instructions so as to how to use the product. Guys, the best part about the serum is that it's made of a special form of hyaluronic acid, which holds it 1,000 times weight of its moisture in the skin, which obviously prevents it from dryness. Oh my god, the skin is so hydrated all the time. I am actually going to show you guys how it is on my skin. I'll apply it and I'll keep it for an hour or so, and then I'll get back to you guys. But before that, let's do the talking part. Also guys, this has collagen and elastin booster that naturally takes care of your dull, wrinkled and sagging skin. It really gives such a youthful glow, to your skin. Keeps the skin like really plump and everything. So this is so good, trust me. This has a claim that I very much relate with. It is EcoCert certified, which means it's completely organic. So it's made of 100% natural ingredients. Now, I'm a sucker for natural ingredients, anything that is organic, because nothing works like any organic product on your skin. I mean, anything that is organic, it's gonna do its magic. Chemicals at the end of the day, oh my god, they're just too bad for the skin. I personally feel that. So I always go for something that's really organic, and this is it. So I'm really a big sucker for organic products, and I'm so glad I found this. This is a new tube that I'm using right now, and I really want you guys to see how it actually makes a difference with the skin, because I will be recommending products only the products that I personally like to use. So that is why I've come here and I'm talking about this, and this is a completely like a new tube, and I wanted to show you guys the packaging and everything, and that is why finally it's here. And now you can see how it looks and everything. So I'm going to show you how it looks on the skin. Now to use this product, what you basically do is you just open this, okay, the top, just open this like this. Okay, now it has come out. Now you really need to be like really careful, okay? Once you're like, you know, pressing it and the serum comes out, if you like press too hard, a lot of serum is gonna come out and it's gonna go for a waste, because you don't really want to waste this serum. So just a little amount of product you want. So okay, that's it. And then you just apply a little bit of. I like to smell this also every time. Do you see that glow, you guys, already? So now I've applied the serum already, and so this product also, you know, has a very unique thing about it. In just 1 hour of application, very interestingly, in just 1 hour of application, it really gets your lost glow back. And that is why I'm gonna come back to you after an hour and I'm gonna show it to you guys how my skin looks after an hour. Okay, and believe me, there's not gonna be any filter, nothing, baby. I'm gonna be absolutely honest with you, because I will not ask you to buy or invest your hard-earned money into anything that is not worth it. Alright, you can count on me for that. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you in an hour. Hi guys, so I am back. It's been an hour and I want to update you guys about how my skin looks currently. Now I don't know how much my phone camera is picking up, but my skin looks a lot more fresh, looks really radiant, and it feels, you know, like really, I don't know, how do I put this, like really amazing. It's like really tight and everything, you know, like elastic kind of feeling to it, and it's so good. It feels really soft. First of all, ooh, nice. Okay, I love it. So like I told you guys, it has got collagen and an elastin booster, which obviously naturally, you know, makes your skin a lot more plumper, gives you that radiant natural glow and everything. And yeah, that's about it. You know what, I'm gonna give this product a 5 on 5 from my end, because honestly I am loving every bit of it. Also, a quick tip, you can also use this serum as a makeup primer. So yeah, if you are buying this product, please make sure that you also use it as a makeup primer, because it also sets the makeup sets really amazingly on this serum. And honestly, 5 on 5. There is nothing that I dislike about this product. It's amazing. All right, that's about it, I guess. And that was my review for Firma serum, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I love you all, and see you all next time. Bye bye.